Italy. A powerful hailstorm struck the city of Turin today, causing chaos and destruction across half the city. Streets were flooded, cars were damaged, and homes were affected as large hailstones and heavy rain swept through the area. The sudden storm hit in the afternoon, surprising many residents. People were seen running for shelter as the sky turned dark and hail began to fall. Some hailstones were as big as golf balls, damaging car windshields and rooftops. This is the worst hailstorm. I've ever seen, said Maria Rossi, a local shop owner. My windows are broken, and water came into my store. Emergency services rushed to help, clearing roads and helping people trapped by the storm. Firefighters worked through the evening to remove fallen trees and debris. There have been no reports of serious injuries so far, but officials are still checking the damage. Weather experts say the storm was caused by unstable air and sudden temperature changes. They warn that more storms may happen in the coming days. Citizens are advised to stay indoors during bad weather and follow updates from local authorities. This is a developing story. Stay tuned to news from Nature Reality TV for more updates. Keep watching Nature Reality, subscribe, like, and drop your comment.